Welcome back to Scots Weekly. I'm Sarai Sanchez.
Happy Friday, everyone. I'm Isabel Farias, and let's get into the announcements for today. Congratulations to Highland wrestlers Brianna Alvarado, who placed 4th in the state,
And Monet Cordero, who placed 8th in state.
This is the first time Highland girl wrestlers have brought home 2 state medals in 1 year. Do you have any plans for this Saturday?
If not, listen up. Aiden has some information for you.
Hey Scots, this month is Youth Art Month, and it's me, Aiden Montalvo, to let you know that Highland is featured inside of a Bakersfield Art Association display, and Highland High has 19 pieces on display. And you might be wondering when this is going to be open. It's going to be open Saturday at 10 to 4. And let me let you a little secret. It's not going to be open anymore after March 31st. So if you want to go see that art, go show some respect to, your classmates and your friends, then make sure to get there. It's going to be in Bakersfield on Street 19th and across from Jin Sushi. So be there.
Thank you, Aiden.
Seniors, today is the last day to buy your tickets for grad night.
Permission slips are available at the activities or athlete's office.
Payments and permission slips are to be turned into the finance office.
Let's go with Ricky, who has some information about the Adams family.
Hey Scots, if anyone would like to support the spring production and purchase an Adams Family shirt, go to the finance office and get yourself a t-shirt for $20.
This is the design for the t-shirt, and remember, $20 to get one at the finance office.
National Breakfast Week is happening next week, and we have Kim with the information.
Hey Scots, National Breakfast Week Dig Into Breakfast starts March 6th through the 10th. When you get a breakfast, your name will be entered into a drawing for a gift card from Starbucks. The winner will be announced next Friday.
Thank you, Kim.
That's it for today, Scots.
Remember to plat up at Highland.
Have a great weekend.